Thank you Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. If you want to design and build a beautiful website for your art, crafts, and dreams, you can do it all in one place with Squarespace. From award-winning templates to user-friendly interfaces, Squarespace has it all. We've partnered up to give you a 2-week trial with the code Caro Arevalo, and once you love it and feel ready to launch, you can use the same code to get 10% of your first purchase of a website or domain. So thank you Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Welcome to November's Art Studio vlog. Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caro and today's video was going to be merely an art vlog of our new space and the new city that we are living on. But along the way it also turned into a moving vlog. We have packed all of our stuff in 3 days and we are leaving tomorrow. We contacted the same moving company, Piece of Cake, and they will keep all of our stuff in storage. I will share more about what are our next moves with you soon. This month didn't really go according to plan and I don't have good things to say about anything that has been going on, so I'd rather not say anything. But what I do want to say is, I use this channel to share a lot about positivity and inspiration and how I'm always staying inspired throughout whatever waves life brings my way. That's why I thought it was important to also share these, which has been one of the most anxious times that I've ever felt. So if you're going through something that is like triggering or activating you in a lot of ways that you don't like, I just want to say that you're not alone. We are all going through a lot, or maybe a lot of us are going through a lot. And what is really helping me throughout this time is every time that there's something that really hurts me or brings fear or faces me with the unknown, I am trying to see it and think it, because it's opening up new possibilities instead of just being a dead end, and it's helping me transcend. So yeah, if you're going through anything that is like not making you feel good, I hope that you're able to see the larger picture and how when doors close, new doors are opening. So yeah, we're moving everything, so this will be a new city / art studio vlog / moving vlog, so I hope you enjoy this ride. In November, we moved out of Brooklyn and into Beacon, a beautiful town in upstate New York. We were subletting a space for a month and we were going to sign a lease in our own apartment in the same building as the sublet in December. It's our first day here and I want to show you how the plants arrived. I already took them all out from their boxes and we put them all next to the window. They are all safe and sound. And as you can see, they just need a little water. I hope they didn't get stressed out there. Hola, Pechi. Ahí te vas a quedar. Vader had a hard time with the move and hid under the bathroom sink for the first few days. We used the first few days to rest and adjust, to get to know the town and its history, to visit the bodies of water and smell all the natural world around us. To sit down in ceremony and ask for permission to be here from the Wappingers, the first peoples to live here. Little by little, we unboxed just a few of our things, the necessary to live and work here for the whole month. it was quite easy to get into our routine in a few days. An invader came out of the bathroom and we all started exploring and enjoying our new town. Within these weeks, I also realized how self-care has become non-negotiable for me, especially in times of transition, as it is a part of where I find balance and get my inner and outer strength. It took us less than a week to accommodate our working area and get back into the creative groove. I was feeling so inspired to create at this new space. I jumped back into my yoga mat design and made some advances on my fungi painting as well. I also designed from start to finish my 2021 moon calendar. We had our cacao every morning at the Fishkill Creek and made the best of our time here. We were kicked out of our sublet, and I don't want to get into details. I just want to say it was such a distasteful person and experience that we decided we didn't want to live in the same town as this person did any longer. So we canceled our plans to lease a loft in Beacon, and in 3 days we packed all of our stuff and we went away. We got ready to put all of our belongings in storage and only take 2 suitcases and the cats with us. This meant closing my shop until 2021, so I did a one-day sale for my moon calendars.
Alberto Bigote, Elivo Bigotes.
And in 3 days, we packed all of our belongings and all of your orders. It was such a crazy few days, but Ivo and I made an amazing team at having it all ready in such short notice and found a way of making this an adventure. I want to give a shout out to Piece of Cake for literally coming to our rescue within a 3-day notice. It really took a big load off our shoulders during this crazy time. Today is Thursday the 13th? No, Thursday the 19th. Today we are moving again. Piece of Cake is coming to pick up all of our stuff in 2 hours. We are leaving everything on storage, and then we're staying upstate with some friends and then doing a bunch of stuff. But all of our stuff is going today, and we, before leaving, are also dropping all these orders at the post office today. It's like 80 orders from the moon calendars. We are leaving all of my art studio stuff in storage as well. All my big paintings are here. I'm only taking the fungi painting with me, and yeah, we're going to the town. The movers just arrived and we already have everything packed. We are just giving some CBD to Vader, who gets very nervous with strangers and noise. And yeah, we're ready to get out of here and put all of our stuff in storage and see our friends and start fresh. We don't have a plan of where we are going next, but we know we have each other and wonderful, trustworthy, beautiful friends and family who support us. And I know that starting over elsewhere is better than being around toxic people. Thanks again, Squarespace, for sponsoring this video. Make sure to check out the description box to use our discount code. So I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. As I mentioned throughout the video, all these plants are also going away. I am giving them away to some sweet friends who I know are plant lovers, and even though I am sad to see them go, I'm also happy that they will have a good home and that I'm able to just let them go. It's an offering of gratitude. So I know I have the energy inside of me to grow another beautiful garden at some point. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Feel free to subscribe to this channel. Feel free to follow me on Instagram, where I also post pretty often. And I hope you find yourself at ease wherever you are. Sending you so much love, and I will see you next time. Bye.